The 2025 Laos Defense Parade introduced a striking new piece of military technology that caught the attention of defense enthusiasts around the world: the new LTS-25 main battle tank. In this video, we'll take a detailed look at its design, its technology, and what makes it a powerful symbol of modern military development. Let's start with the exterior. The first impression of the LTS-25 is its formidable presence. The overall design is angular and aerodynamic, featuring a low-profile turret that reduces radar visibility and improves stability at high speeds. The armor plating uses a new composite material that combines layered steel, ceramics, and reactive modules to provide superior protection against kinetic and explosive threats. The matte green finish is complemented by tactical markings and heat-dissipating panels designed to minimize infrared signatures. The exterior also integrates side skirt protection, modular add-on armor, and an advanced smoke grenade launcher system mounted on the turret sides for immediate defensive responses. The tracks are reinforced with rubber pads for reduced road damage and quieter movement in urban environments, while the overall chassis retains a compact, balanced structure that optimizes both maneuverability and protection. A redesigned frontal slope improves deflection of projectiles, and the rear section houses easy-access maintenance panels that make field repairs faster and more efficient. Moving inside, the LTS-25's interior represents a leap forward in crew comfort and control efficiency. The tank accommodates a crew of 3, commander, gunner, and driver, with each position equipped with ergonomic seating and touchscreen control interfaces. The interior lighting is adaptive, allowing visibility to be maintained in both daylight and night operations without compromising stealth. The commander's console features a 360-degree panoramic vision system that merges input from multiple high-resolution cameras, giving situational awareness far beyond what traditional periscopes could provide. The driver's compartment is more spacious than in earlier models, integrating a digital dashboard with automatic terrain adaptation systems. Noise insulation and vibration control have been notably improved, reducing fatigue during long missions. A fully automatic fire suppression system ensures crew safety in case of internal heat or fuel issues. The onboard air conditioning and NBC nuclear, biological, chemical filtration systems maintain survivability in extreme or contaminated environments. Performance-wise, the LTS-25 delivers impressive numbers. It is powered by a 1,200 horsepower turbo diesel hybrid engine capable of propelling the 50-ton vehicle to a top speed of 70 km per hour on roads and around 45 km per hour off-road. The new transmission system provides 8 forward gears and 3 reverse, ensuring precise control across multiple terrains. Fuel efficiency has been significantly optimized compared to older models, allowing an operational range of over 500 km on a single load of fuel. Suspension and shock absorption are handled by an advanced hydro-pneumatic system that automatically adjusts ground clearance depending on terrain conditions, improving stability while firing on the move. The main gun, a 125mm smoothbore cannon, supports both conventional and smart ammunition types, including armor-piercing, high-explosive, and programmable rounds. Secondary armament includes a 7.62mm coaxial machine gun and a 12.7mm remote-controlled anti-aircraft gun mounted above the commander's hatch. Fire control is fully computerized, utilizing laser range finders, thermal imaging, and automatic target tracking. In field tests, the cannon achieved exceptional accuracy at ranges exceeding 3,000 meters, even while in motion. The combination of electronic stabilization and AI-assisted aiming reduces human error and increases first shot hit probability, making the LTS-25 a serious battlefield contender. When it comes to safety, the designers clearly prioritized crew protection. The tank features an internal energy-absorbing crew capsule, which isolates the crew from the ammunition storage area, drastically reducing the risk of catastrophic explosion in the event of a hit. The reactive armor system automatically detects incoming threats like RPGs or anti-tank missiles and deploys countermeasures within milliseconds, either deflecting or neutralizing them before impact. An advanced smoke screen system can obscure the vehicle from visual, infrared, and laser-guided targeting for up to 30 seconds, buying critical time during combat maneuvers. In addition, all onboard electronics are shielded against electromagnetic pulses to ensure operational continuity in high-intensity environments. The fire suppression system can extinguish both electrical and fuel fires within 2 seconds, and the NBC filtration ensures the interior remains safe even in contaminated zones. There is also an emergency escape hatch in the lower hull, providing an additional exit route if the main hatches are blocked. Beyond protection and performance, what makes the LTS-25 unique are its smart systems and customization capabilities. The onboard AI suite manages power distribution, diagnostics, and communication automatically, alerting the crew of any irregularities in real time. The vehicle's modular design means parts like the turret, sensors, or armor panels can be upgraded without replacing the entire platform, ensuring long-term adaptability to evolving combat needs. The LTS-25 also incorporates drone integration. A built-in drone bay at the rear of the turret can deploy small reconnaissance UAVs that provide aerial surveillance, target designation, or terrain mapping data directly to the crew's interface. Another key selling point is the digital command network, which allows multiple tanks to operate in coordinated formations with synchronized targeting and data sharing. This makes unit-level operations faster, more accurate, and less dependent on radio communication, reducing interception risk. Additionally, the tank includes built-in battlefield data encryption, ensuring secure communication with command units. From a maintenance perspective, the modular engine and power systems can be replaced in under 2 hours, minimizing downtime and operational costs. The LTS-25 also features a predictive maintenance algorithm that analyzes component stress in real time and recommends servicing before a failure occurs. On the environmental front, the hybrid propulsion system reduces fuel consumption and heat emissions, aligning with modern efficiency and sustainability standards. In terms of pricing, while official numbers vary depending on configuration and export agreements, the LTS-25 is estimated to cost around $4.5 to $5 million US per unit, significantly less than many Western counterparts in its class, yet offering comparable or superior technological sophistication. This balance of performance, protection, and cost efficiency could make it an attractive option for smaller nations seeking modern armored capabilities without breaking defense budgets. In conclusion, the LTS-25 symbolizes a new phase in Laos's defense manufacturing ambitions and a step forward in Southeast Asia's growing military technology landscape. It demonstrates that innovation, adaptability, and affordability can coexist within a single platform. From its stealth-inspired exterior and AI-integrated interior to its powerful propulsion and next-generation protection systems, the LTS-25 represents not just a machine, but a statement of self-reliance and modernization. For enthusiasts and defense analysts alike, it's a fascinating example of how emerging nations are now developing equipment that can compete on the global stage. Whether it ultimately redefines regional armored doctrine remains to be seen, but there's no doubt that the LTS-25 has already made its mark as one of the most impressive showcases of the 2025 parade, an embodiment of engineering progress, national pride, and future potential.